guys, we're back with another TikTok video. Today we're going to be trying Nature's cereal, and I don't know what goes in there, but we just added a little bit of dragon fruit and strawberries. We didn't do blackberries, but we have raspberries, blueberries, and pomegranates. Stop eating.
Hi.
Don't mind Leilani, she's not feeling good at all.
I've been coughing for like forever.
No, you haven't. Stop.
I coughed in my dreams.
In your dream? So I don't know how this goes together, but let's just add everything.
Come on, I want to eat a grape.
It's a blueberry.
Honey.
Cheese.
Do I add? Yes.
These raspberries look weird. Yeah.
1 scoop. 2 scoops.
I haven't seen anybody do dragon fruit, but we're adding dragon fruit.
2 scoops.
Only because we like it.
Look at your hand.
That's how it looks. So then we just add water. Coconut water. I think that's enough, right? And
Get that to mommy.
we're gonna test this out. Can I see some, Lonnie?
No. Can you eat it?
Raise this one. Giselle.
Wow.
Iced for coldness.
Take a piss. Cut!
So here's everything. Yes, I put it purple.
Everyone cut that. Cut that, Nene.
Leah? Go, hurry.
He's blind.
This is why nobody's always in the
No.
No, 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 no. What'd you think?
She's supposed to play with it. What do you like it?
Ew.
Swallow it.
That's strawberries.
Say what's up.
Go.
Chicken boot.
That's good.
It's good. What am
Like
I
Leah?
eating?
You try it.
Yes.
Yeah, try it. Get a scoop.
Wow.
Get a scoop and eat it.
This?
Like it? Nice.
I can't.
Eat it.
Please.
I can't choose my corn teeth, mommy.
Oh, thank
It's not an
you.
excuse.
Give me a kiss.
It's not an excuse.
Oh, okay.
No excuse.
Oh, my poor blueberries.
So
Thank you. Get some to Leah. Oh, okay. In the bowl.
Bye,
Thank you.
Cut, real cut. Cut, man.
How about a vlog instead?
Well, it's pretty good. I like it.
Me too. I give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh, it's awesome.
10 out of 10.
Freaking 15 out of 100.
You know what? I'll give it crazy the machine.
What do you think about this?
Got the blueberry in the back.
That's enough blueberries, Leilani.
Yeah.
Leilani, that's enough blueberries.
That's enough food.
Okay, one more. One more.
That's it. No more.
One more.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you.
That's enough. Thank you guys.
Like, subscribe.
You want to eat it?
No.
You don't want to eat it? Look.
No.
No.
Lonnie.
Here.
Hi.
Here.
No.
Yummy. Papa.
Papa.
It's Papa.
No, no, no.
Hey guys, look
Give it
at
a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Give it 10 out of 10.
Would you give it a 10 out of 10?
Yeah. I would give it.
Bruh.
I give it a 10 out of 10. I think it's really good. You should try it.
11 out of 10.
Ideas from TikTok and see what else we can.
Now I can do renegade.
Look myself in the mirror, I don't know who I am no more. Yeah, this pain run deep cause you ain't here no more. I've been running out of feeling, don't wanna feel no more. Shit is heavy on my heart and I can't let go. I've been trying to find peace, I've been heavy on this line. They don't wanna go to war.